John's the Audio Cat, man. It's got a great day. We had a track today, which is going to be very important to get some track time, learn about the car and do what we have to do. Come here, Eddie. But this is something that just happened. My nephew came and brought my wallet. I said, for what? I don't need this as long as I got this guy right here. This is Battle Cat up in the building, man. If you don't know who he is on IG. He's been on the track a long time. He's been out here playing around. He's gonna basically be somebody I'm gonna depend on today to try to get me used to what is the track life and doing what we have to do to get the car down the track and learning the car. So Battle Cat, he's actually on IG. This can be my mentor. So if I do anything wrong today, just write him on IG. It's all his fault. It's all his fault. But we out here today with some great cars, man. We got, of course, my wifey's car. I don't think she's gonna go down the track. We got, of course, the Audio Cat. We're letting it cool down here. We got Mr. Watts over here, man, which is another great guy. Became part of the family. Mr. Watts, come over here. Get on YouTube. And this is when you say, when you think you're big, then you get this guy next to you, you realize how small you really are. But this is Mr. D. Watts. This is his baby here. He's got a Challenger, a Charger Hellcat, and he's also out here playing fun, man. So these guys are gonna pretty much be helping me to basically learn what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't really know too much. We got Isaac gonna go down the track today with his Mustang, and we got, of course, the Intimidator over there, owned by Ken, which is really intimidating. He comes with a trailer and the whole nine. But let's just see what the results are gonna be as we roll here, guys. Stay posted. We ain't gonna talk about that. But guys, we also got Mr. Ken, the Intimidator, up in the building. So Ken, this is the guy who you guys watch on Instagram a lot, and all I can say, if you watch him, his name is pretty accurate. He's an Intimidator. He came up here with a trailer and he got B-locks and the whole nine. And when he walked in, you know how I said hi to Ken? He walked in, I was doing like this. Like, yes sir, I submit. But man, this is a great team to have around me, man. If I'm gonna learn anything out here, I'm gonna learn it from these guys. These guys come out here a lot and I got a lot to learn. I'm gonna be basically an apprentice today, just learning what these guys have to teach me to see if we can get this car to do what it needs to do, and whatever we need to do to make it happen. So Ken, I'm counting on you guys. I know me and you ain't racing today, so don't come out, Well, man, we'll see what happens, y'all. But we'll be posting. Ken up in the building. We end the track in a few minutes. You two, so we made our first pass on the vehicle, going down the track. We had a little bit of traction problems in the beginning. We were spinning a lot on first and second gear. We lowered the air pressure now. We're gonna try a different kind of burnout method and try different RPM to launch to see where we can get the car to go. But this is what it's about, is practicing. First run I went against my son. Actually, he took off right next to me. That tells you how much I was spinning. Then we got into second and high third, and I got right by him. But he is doing really well at the track. My son Ike is doing great. Congratulations, Papi. But now I'm gonna go on this one and see a different RPM launch, different tire pressure, and see if I can get the vehicle to hook better off that first gear, to then be able to allow the car to hook and go and see what time we got. I'll be back in a few minutes. We're here at the strip getting ready to launch. We're gonna be running D Watts over there. I know I'm not ready for him, but we're still gonna go have fun. We're in the line, ready, man. In fact, we got another guy. Tell everybody what your YouTube channel is, brother.
Hey, you can find me at Look Live and Skate with Adrian De Leon. Look out for 5.0 conversations, you know what I'm saying? We on the up and up.
Man, good. Go check him out, man. We've been talking here, cool guy. We're gonna get out to the race. We got Mr. Battle Cat with us in the vehicle. Let me go ahead and set up my seatbelt so I can get ready to go. Battle Cat, you ready?
We ready.
All right, we'll be back in a few minutes, guys. Let's see what happens after this run.
Audio Fox versus the Corvette.
right, guys, because this is what's going on. We had a great time here. The thing, unfortunately, is going to be the end of the night for me and the end of cat for my son, Audio Fox. Something busted his car. We don't know. Me, I blew up the clutch. That's why the car's not hooking up the light. Not a big deal. This is part of racing and having fun. Tomorrow morning, she'll be over there in the shop. But we got my boy Deep Watts over here, man. If you don't have him on Instagram, you have to subscribe. He's a great guy. Coming out here playing with his car for a while now, and he's having a great time. He's got me today, which is a great race, but we're gonna come back. We're gonna this is how you learn, man. The best thing is when you got somebody who's part of your group, or, I mean, I'm not part of the group, I'm the outsider. I'm kind of trying to itch into the group, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, we're with them here, and we're gonna be having a great time. So he is gonna go out there again, and he's gonna be racing with my my wife's car. So Battlecat took my wife's car, and they're gonna go have some fun. But we've had fun up to this point here. Mrs. Audio Cat is back there getting the tow truck to come pick us up. But we'll be back shortly, man. D-Wop, we wish you luck. We will come back, and I've had a great time so far. We will be back when we get the clutch, and this is the best thing, man. You keep on learning your car. You're gonna break stuff, you make it stronger, and we just have a lot of fun. So I want to tell you, thank you for letting me race with him. He's a great guy, and we'll be back shortly, man. Go have good luck. He don't want to be on his camera, but he on the camera. We back here at the track getting ready to leave. You see the Audio Fox is right back here. Look what's over here, guys. Might be a familiar thing. We got a tow truck out here. Picking it up, man. That's how the night ended, and I blew out my clutch, man. But it is what it is. We met actually a good guy. Should I believe? Richard, that's your name, right? Yes, sir. Richard is the one that owns this towing company, man. I'm actually gonna shoot him out, man, because he actually did a great deal on the thing. 972-940-3566. B&S Towing and Transport. That's where he came to pick us up. And now he can take us back to our home. But how are you feeling today, ma'am?
Listen, I don't know.
I can't believe this happened.
How I'm feeling.
And she's actually worried because her car is about to go on the track with somebody else driving it to see what happens. Emily, did you have a good time today?
Yeah. Always.
Alrighty. And how do you feel today, brother? How you feeling, Johnny?
Great.
Everybody feeling good, so we're gonna get this going. I'll be right back. There goes the two cars right there, Eddie. Here goes yours. Yours is on the right hand side, I see the sticker Miss Audio Cat on it.
En la mano derecha.
Look at the sticker right there.
Yours are close.
Right there, look. Look. Right there, look at it right here. This is Adidas right here. Adidas on the right hand side, yeah.
Pero,
There they go. There they go. We have actually just saw Mrs. Battlecat's car go down the track with Watts, of course, and they actually look like Battlecat driving my wife. That's D Watts there. This is my wifey's car. They had a great time. I know everybody had a great time. Mr. Battlecat, what you got to say, brother?
I ran lit, but it's okay.
It's all good. You were stock anyway.
I was expecting to. I was trying to get the jump on him because I didn't adjust no tires. I didn't do nothing. Only thing I changed was the setting. Oh, I got to talk to you about that. The setting of the car. That's only for the custom setting.
Yes.
Right. That's the only thing I changed.
No problem, man. You enjoy yourself?
I did.
And we're going to be out of here now, man. Want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the subscribe, man. Y'all be good and God bless. Peace. All right, guys. So giving y'all an update of what happened yesterday. I'm going to actually continue on the video. With the Audio Cat, we just got it checked out to see why we had no launch in the car. Because the car wasn't going nowhere when we took off. The problem is they blew out the rear diff. So these rear diffs of these cars are limited slip. They actually have a clutch assembly inside of the rear end. I never knew that before. And it blew out basically, hold on, I'm trying to get the car moving here. So we got movement of the car, so it's not completely blown out, but whenever it hits high torque or high pressure, the car is not moving nowhere. So we ordered a new diff today from the dealership. Comes with 2 years warranty. Or 100,000 miles. So I ordered that today because it's the best thing to do is just get it going and get it situated to make sure the car can be good. I mean, it's part of racing, man. You make money, you lose money. Having a toy is expensive. Hold on, y'all. So having a toy is pretty expensive. You know, they're not cheap. This rear end just cost me $1,500. I ordered it. I should have it within 3 to 4 days, but I mean, it is what it is, guys. Like I tell everybody, listen, this is my hobby. This is what I love to do. I don't have an alcohol problem. I don't have a drug problem. I don't do strippers. I don't do any of that. My drug or my alcohol is my car. So long story short, I ordered the diff today. I'm going to have to break it down to Mrs. Audio Cat. She's probably going to choke me because, you know, you put a lot of money in these cars. But again, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully she can understand. So this is just an update of what happened last night at the track. We had no first gear, no second gear. We were spinning, not tire-wise, just spinning inside the rear diff. The oil is burnt, metal chunks. It's really bad. So we ordered a new diff. We'll be back hopefully this weekend and see what happens if we go back with the new diff and get it going.